Hello online family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my James channel, and this is where we get to do more farming, gardening, homesteading, cooking and all other activities done in an African village right here in Kenya in the east of Africa. So guys, quickly here I'm doing a quick introduction. So my first activity this evening is offloading firewood. We have just received firewood from the forest, so we are going to restock more firewood. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Please consider to like, comment and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and welcome for my afternoon activities. Guys, I finished carrying the firewood into the store, and guys, I have not carried some, as you can see over there. Those are the most heavy logs, so I'll be looking for help, and I hope that I'll get before it rains, because guys, as you can see, it might rain because we already have the dark clouds. So far my rabbits have not been fed on, so I want to head straight to the vegetable garden because today they are going to feed on vegetables. Let's go together and get the vegetables, guys. Guys, as you can see, our rabbits are enjoying the fresh green vegetables, kales, from the farm. Guys, I want to do a bit of just a short general cleaning because there is a part on our main house where flowers have overgrown and the grass have also overgrown, so I just want to trim it very fast, and the flowers pieces that I'm going to get from there, we are going to replant them at my area, at my compound, guys, as I'll show you, because there is a place where I also want to replace the flowers. So guys, let's do this with me, and I also have the help of my mom, so let's do this quick before it rains, guys. Guys, and that's the final look. Drop a comment, let me know how you have seen the new flower beds, the new style of the grass shaping. Drop a comment. Guys, the rain has now started and it's now a rush to fulfill some of the duties before it rains. Like we have maize that we are drying outside, so I'm going to rush and cover it before it is rained on and spoil. And also our chicken are outside, so I'm also going to rush and cover them. Let me do this quickly. We are coming to the end of our video today, guys. Keep subscribing, liking and commenting, and you will continue being updated with more farm activity video right here in our village at the foot of the Aberdare Mountain Ranges, right here in Kenya, in the east of Africa. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Have a nice time.